What's up, Champ Fam? Stephanie here at Stephanie Chambers Daily. And I see you've made your way back to my channel one more time. So if you're returning, thank you so much. I truly appreciate all of your love and support. And if you're new, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so you never miss any of our future uploads. Alright guys, today, we're going to be going over some amazing deals that you do not want to miss out on. So go grab you a snack, grab you something to drink, sit back, and let's save that money, okay? So first things first, before we get into the deal, I want to share this with you guys. We have coupons stacking on this Pillsbury Crescent Roll Original. It is the 8 count and 8 ounce. I'm sure it stacks on more Pillsbury items. I just chose to do it with the Crescent Rolls, okay? First off, they're on sale this week at Dollar General, 2 for $5. We have a 2 off coupon and a $1 off of 3 coupon, and they are attaching. When you buy 3 of them, you will get 3 of them for $4.95, or you can get 4 and pay a few dollars more. If you buy 4, it is $7, but if you buy 3, it is $4.95. It is completely up to you on whether you want to get it or not. Also, before we jump into the deal, I want to show you guys this Captain Crunch Crunch Berries, or the Oops All Berries. Is $1 on the dollar aisle. Go to the dollar food aisle. They're little bags for $1 each. We have a $1 off coupon attaching to these, making them 50 cents each, or $1 for 2 of them. It's working on the Oops All Berry and the Crunch, original Captain Crunch, in the bags for $1. So you get them for 50 cents each or $1 for both. All right, guys, so I have an all food deal for you at Dollar General. That's right, all food deal. You can do this deal today. You'll pay $5 more. If I am going to do this deal, I'm going to wait till Saturday and use my 5 off 25 on it. Some really great stock up items, especially with everybody talking about this cold winter, dark winter, you know, where the shelves are being emptied, whatever. Stock up on all the food items you can. I've been doing that. I'm going to continue to stock up on them, and why not coupon for these items to get them cheaper? So you're going to start off with the Clover Valley vegetable oil, the 48 ounce. It is regular $1.80, or regular $2.35, and we have the coupon. I'll pop up all the coupons for you guys. So you'll pay $1.85 for it. Then you're going to get the Clover Valley Sugar, the 4-pound bag. It's originally $2. We have that 50-cent off coupon. Then the Clover Valley All-Purpose Flour, 5-pound bag. It's originally $1.85, and you'll pay $1.50 with that 35-cent off coupon. Clover Valley Brown Sugar, the 2-pound bags, originally $1.65. We have that 15-cent off digital. It's going to leave us paying $1.50. Now, this is a deal that is glitching a little bit because you're not supposed to use coupons on the dollar aisle. You have the Captain Crunch Crunch Berries, or you can get the original, but coupons are attaching to both. I'll pop it up. They are $1 each, and we have a $1 off digital. So for 2 of them, it's $2 with that $1 off digital. It's going to leave you paying $1 for both, or 50 cents each. The Pringles are $1.75, but for the 5.5 ounce, we have a 50-cent off digital, leaving you paying $1.20. The Powerade, you can get any flavor that you want. They are on sale this week at DG, 3 for $3. When you pick up 3, you get 1 for free. So for all of them, for all 4 of them, it's originally $4.60. You're getting that instant savings of 60 cents because they're on sale 3 for $3. Plus you have that $1, or buy 3, get 1 free. So you'll pay $3 for 4 Powerades. The Quaker Quick Minute 5-minute grits, the 24 ounce, they are $1.75 each. You're going to want to pick up 2 of them. That's going to be $3.50. Then we have that $2 off digital. It's going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2 24-ounce boxes of 5-minute grits. Okay, now this is a really good deal as well, especially with the holidays coming up. I did the Pillsbury Crescent Rolls, the original count, the 8 count, 8 ounce. Y'all know that these are a little over $3 a piece, okay? But we have 2 coupons attaching to these Pillsbury Crescent rolls, 2 different coupons, okay? So for all 4 of these, it's originally $8.85. With all of our deals and coupons coming off, which I'll pop up right here, we're only going to pay $4.95 for 4 of these bad boys. No, 3 of them. I'm sorry. We're going to get 3 of them, not 4. We're going to pick up 3 of these, and we have 2 different coupons that are going to come off on this Pillsbury Crescent rolls. For 3 of them, you're only going to pay $4.95. Now, all of your items together is a subtotal of 9 items. No, that's not 9 items. Hang on, this thing is missing. You see this says 9 items? We do not have 9 items. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 16 items in all. So 1 of these, 1 oil, 1 sugar, 1 flour, 1 brown sugar, 2 of the $1 Crunch Berry or $1 Captain Crunch, 1 Pringle, 4 Powerades, 2 Quaker Quick Grits, and 3 Pillsbury Crescent Rolls. A total of 16 items. Your subtotal is going to come out to $18. You want to also add in that 5 off 25 because your subtotal before tax and coupons is $28.50. $28.50. After your coupons come off, your offers come off, and your 5 off 25, that's going to leave you paying only $13 for all 16 of these items. $13 for all 16 of these items. That is an amazing deal, you guys. All food deal. Y'all be sure to run out and grab this all food deal. 16 items for $13. So I hope y'all run out and save that money. Go pick up them few deals today or wait till Saturday. It's completely up to you. Now we're going to jump right on in to a product that I'm going to review for you guys before we leave this video. Alright guys, so we're going to be going over a product called Hi-Ho 3-in-1 Lash Liner. It's an eyelash adhesive, it's an eyeliner, and a lash enhancer. Save thousands of dollars, time, it's waterproof and smudge proof, and suitable for sensitive eyes. It's cruelty free and vegan free. You can follow them on IG at I Love Hi-Ho, Facebook, I Love Hi-Ho, TikTok, I Love Hi-Ho Official, and go to their website at ilovehiho.com. What it is it's an eyeliner, but eyelash glue at the same time. So we're going to open it up. As you can see, I've already used it. They're super cute, super sleek, and it comes in 2 different colors. We have the Hi-Ho in clear, and then in black. So this is the one that is the glue and the eyeliner. And then if you just need the glue, this is the glue. It's so very simple to use. It's kind of hard to open with one hand. Hang on. You just pop the top off. This is what it looks like. You literally barely press down. I always shake it. And then just press down a little bit and put it on the top of your eyelid like eyeliner. And you apply your lashes. It's super easy, super simple. The tip is amazing. The glue comes out so very easy. So very easy. That is the clear. This is the black. And it is an amazing product, you guys. I'm going to put the link down below in the description box for you guys to go and purchase if you would like to. It is a great stocking stuffer, great gift, great to throw in a gift basket. All right, guys, so I got the lashes on. This one, I used the clear glue. And it looks really good. I actually like that one the best, I think. And this one I used the black. I know my line is all crooked now. I'm not no makeup artist by no means. But throwing on a set of lashes definitely makes you feel more confident, makes you feel pretty. And that lash glue is so super simple. I used to wear lashes all the time. I got really used to wearing them, and I was good at putting them on, quick at putting them on. And I just, I'm like really out of practice, so I would definitely fix this. I wouldn't go out like this. I would make sure it had a perfect line, add a little bit more eyeliner to it, and you'll be good to go. But I just wanted to share with you guys, this lash glue is super, super easy. With as out of practice as I am, it literally took me 5 minutes to put these on. So y'all be sure to go check them out. They're an amazing brand, amazing product. I love them. And I think y'all should really, if you're looking for some lash liner glue, eyeliner, or just lash liner glue, this is the place to go. Hi-ho off Cheerio. Because hi-ho lash liner is bomb. So y'all go check them out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. And we're now going to do our post notification shout out. If you're wondering how to receive your very own shout out, it's so very simple. All you have to do is follow these 5 things. First, be sure you are subscribed to my channel. Once you do that, turn on the post notification bell button. Once you hit that bell button, go on and like the video. Once you like it, then share it. Share it with your social media, your mommy, your daddy, your aunt, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. I don't care. Just share it. Once you've shared it, comment down below what you are thankful for the month of November. Or you can put hashtag ChanFam, hashtag done, hashtag post notification gang. But to get a shout out for the month of November, you must put what you are thankful for. And for today, I am thankful for the person that I am. I have had struggles in my life, as everybody I'm sure has. And there was a point in a time in my life where I did not like who I was. And I could not be more thankful that God has turned me into the person that I am. And He works on me more and more every single day. And I just feel so blessed and thankful and just gracious that He has really taken that sadness and void and filled it with love and happiness. That's why I try to be so positive and happy on here. I want everybody to know, no matter what you're going through, what you have been through, where you are going, it's your decision to make things better. All you have to do is look at stuff with positivity. This is not just talk, you guys. This is so serious. You can change the way that you feel every single day. Wake up with a good attitude. Be positive. Accomplish things, even if it's small things. As small as waking up and making your bed in the morning, sweeping your floor, whatever it is. Those little small accomplishments are going to turn into bigger and bigger accomplishments, and you're going to be such a happier person. And always remember to thank God for those small little blessings. So that is all that I have for you guys today. I got a little deep. I just want to spread the love and help everybody and anybody who is struggling. That is it, though, for today. I hope you all have a beautiful and blessed evening. Don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. And it's bye for now. And time for baby Miss Remy, who is, she turned 1 on October the 1st. So it is November, about to be December. She's about to be 14 months old. She is walking and talking and has got a mouthful of teeth, and she is so smart, and she loves to give sugars. And it is time for the star of my YouTube channel, and that is Miss Remy.
So she has my cup, y'all. She's done got to where she's obsessed with cups. She thinks she is a big girl. She spills a little bit, so I had a paper towel beside me. She's handing it to me, but she loves her cup, y'all. Oh my goodness, she's so grown. Thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate all your love and support. If you haven't seen these videos yet, be sure to click on them. You do not want to miss out on these amazing deals. And as I always say, don't be stressing so you can count your blessings. Bye for now.